Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can launch EC2 instance using Session Manager in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to our AWS console. As you can see, we are in our EC2 dashboard. Here we have one instance. We want to launch this server using Session Manager. So first of all, we need to create a role. For this, click on Services, then IAM. Here in the left side we have roles in Access Management. Click on Roles. Now click on Create Role. In AWS services, we are going to create this role for EC2. So click on EC2, click Next Permissions. In search bar, just type core and choose Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core. Click Next Tags. No need to provide any tag. Click Next Review. Here just give name for this role. After typing name, click Create Role. As you can see, our role is successfully created. Now again go to Services and EC2. Now we need to assign this role to our particular instance. Just choose our instance, right click, go to security and click on modify IAM role. Here click on drop down menu and choose SSM-test policy role. Click save. Our role is successfully assigned to this instance. Now in search bar type session manager. Click on session manager. Here click on start session. After installation of session agent, our instance will show here. So we need to wait for a while. After a couple of minutes, our instance is showing here in target instances. Choose our instance and click on start session. It will open up in new tab. If I type here sudo space su, as you can see here it is showing our private IP address, which is 172.31.11.63. If I come back here and go to EC2 dashboard and click on test instance, here you can see private IP address, which is 172.31.11.63. If I want to close this session, just click on terminate. It is asking that we really want to terminate this session. Click terminate and this session will close. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in next video.